Worried about someone hacking your Zoho Mail? Set up two-factor authentication in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through enabling TFA using a passkey. Just follow these 10 simple steps. Start by clicking on My Profile in the upper right corner. Then, from the menu that appears, select My Account. Now, on the left sidebar, click on Multi-Factor Authentication. Click Set Up Now. We'll use a passkey for this example. Type in a name for your passkey, something memorable. Then click Next to continue. Next, click here to verify yourself, to prove it's you. Enter your Zoho password when prompted. Then click Confirm Password to proceed. Finally, click Next to complete the setup. And that's it. You're all set with two-factor authentication. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.